Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Jurassic World app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Jurassic World app. Or just click on search. Then here at Jurassic World app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Jurassic World app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.